Okay, so this video is for task 2. So, ang sabi dito, add pheromone content to love scent products. Tapos may link, 'di ba? So basically, punta tayo sa ano. Yan. This is the link, or this is where the link would bring you to. Tapos hahanapin mo dito yung mga pheromone content. So punta ka dun sa pheromone admin page, and then punta ka saan na yun? Tools, Websimon tables. Ito yung tables na ginawa mo dati. So may iladagdag lang tayong mga information. Okay. So you will do this for both the men and women tables. So, click mo yung edit table content ng for men. And then, let's wait. Ayan. So, nandito naman, di ba, kung, linagay naman natin yung where to buy. So, makikita mo kung Love Scent siya or Amazon. So, for the products that are, that can be purchased at lovescent.com, you look for the name. So, men's pheromone additive chenilene. Copy mo na lang yan. Tapos, punta ka dito. Control F. Wala siya. So, fine. And then, ito, love scent din. Copy. Paste. Wala rin. Ano ba yan? Basta hanapin mo lang yung mga products na nandito sa table natin at nandito sa product table. So, there. Alter ego for men. Ngayon, ang hahanapin mo, ito, the second column. It's, ayan, pheromones included. So, it's the second column, right? So, ito yan. It has, like letters dyan. There is actually a legend dito sa baba. Ayan, oh. So, kapag asterisk yung nandun, actual content unknown. Kapag question mark, info not available. Pag W, used by Chenilene. And then, there is, basically, ang titignan mo lang dito sa bottom row is kapag naka-asterisk para ilagay mo na actual content unknown. Pero, yung letters, balik tayo doon. Diba, N, L, tsaka R. So, you look at it here. Ayan, no, may letters. N is androstenone. L is androstenol. R is androsterone. Okay? So, dadagdag mo yon. So, nasa na? Ayan. So, ito, ika-copy mo dito sa pheromone content, this one. Dito, di ba? Kasi ito yung product na nakita natin. So, ilalagay mo dito yung nakita mo dito with the numbers and the corresponding actual pheromones. So, N is androstenone. So that's 2 androstenone, and then 1.5 kung ano man yung L, and then 1 kung ano man yung R. Yun ang ilalagay mo dito. Okay? So, the numbers with the corresponding pheromone content based on the letters here and the legend below. Okay? So, that is what you do for all the products that you see here na mahahanap mo dito sa table. As you saw na hindi naman lahat meron. Pero, yung mga meron, ilagay mo. Okay? For both men and women tables thingy. Okay? That's it.